Hello dear children, welcome to the world of drawing. I'm Richa Raguwanshi, your drawing and craft teacher. Today we'll be making house with a paper only. Now you all are having this book, Art Plus. Open the book, page number 1616. Which page? Page number 16. Can you see on this page, this craft work is given to you along with the steps. Step by step the folding and everything is explained. Though I'll be explaining it to you, but here also it is given. And along with this, on the book, one page is given to you where two square papers are there and you are supposed to cut both of them. But since you're too young, so I would suggest you to take help from your parents. Ask your mother or father to cut the paper properly with the scissors. Do not use scissors, children, yourself, but ask your elders to cut them out and give it to you. And once you will get it, step by step, follow all the instructions which I am going to give you, and you will be able to make a beautiful house. Okay, so let's begin. Okay children, so now I'm here with a square paper. Just now I've shown you, right? Two papers were given in the book, two pieces in one paper. Two square pieces were there and you were supposed to cut them out. Now I have cut one of them and here I'll be using this one for showing you how to fold the paper to make a house out of it. Okay, so we are going to use this paper only. Now I'm going to use the board as the surface. You have to keep the paper on a hard surface like a table. Okay, do not keep the paper on your lap, otherwise you won't be able to fold the paper properly. So use a hard surface like a table only. Keep the paper on the table and just follow the steps. Now I'll be keeping this on the board and see, this has got four sides. Two sleeping lines are there, one on the top, one at the bottom. I'm going to match both of them just to make a half of this paper, just to fold this paper in half. Okay, so now I have folded it nicely. I matched the lines, top and bottom lines together. You can see they both are matched properly. Okay, do not match them like this. They both should touch each other. Okay, now just fold it tightly and open it. Once you'll open, you'll see there is a line in the middle. Okay, when you fold, when you have made a tight fold, the line has appeared over here. Okay, now I'm going to keep the paper again on the surface and I'll be matching this middle line with the bottom sleeping line, this bottom sleeping line. Okay, see, this is how I'm matching it with the middle line and fold it tightly by moving your finger on it very tightly. Now you have to flip the paper. Okay, after doing this much, you have to flip the paper, and now can you see again this line is there which we have made by folding it, this middle line. Now I'm going to match this middle line with the top line. Okay, so this middle line now I have matched with the top line and I have folded it nicely. Okay, I made a nice fold over here. Can you see this? Now the paper is looking like a cream biscuit, right? Half strawberry and half vanilla, right? Okay, so Now what we have to do is, now can you see the sides, left and the right hand side? Okay, so we'll be matching both these lines, standing lines together. But this time you need not to make a tight fold. Okay, just match them, and here make a mark only. Just a mark here at the bottom and on the top. Do not press it the whole, right? You need not to press the whole line, but the top and the bottom point only. We wanted to take out the middle of it. So we have the top and the bottom point now. Now what I will be doing is, I'm going to match the left hand side standing line with this and the right hand side standing line with the points. So let's fold them. Left and now the right hand side. Okay, now I have folded. So now it's looking like this. It's an open case. Okay, so once you'll see this, it is going to look like this. Okay, so the next step is, see, just take this side, first right hand side. Okay, and see, this paper, pink paper, has got a pocket here. So just put your finger or your thumb inside it till this point, inside the pocket. Once you open it, you will see on the top of it there is a sleeping line. Can you see this line? I'm not talking about the straight line, but the small sleeping line. You have to match this line now with the standing white line. How will you match? First you have to put your finger inside the pocket till this point, and then after this, hold this line and bring it till here. Okay, once this will touch this standing line, you can press it. So it has become a triangle now. Earlier it was a square like this, pink square. Now it has become a triangle. Similarly, we are going to repeat the same thing here on the left hand side also. Same step. I'm going to put my finger inside the pocket and I'll see this line. So I'll hold the line and I bring it to match this white line with it. Okay. Once it is matched, I'm going to press both the sides. So now one more triangle is here. So now again, if you will see, it's looking like a house only, but see, this is open. So this can't be the front. You have to flip the paper, and once you flip the paper, you'll see the roof is there and the wall is there. Okay, to make it look like a perfect house, you just need to make the door. Okay, this is the door, an open door, slightly open door I'm making. So this is the door, this is the handle, and here two windows. So both the windows have got curtains, beautiful curtains. Okay, you can make the curtains if you want. If you don't want, you can make simple plus sign. It should look like a grill only. So these are the windows and the door, and the house is ready. Now I'm sure you're able to make the house. You have followed all the steps and your house is also ready. So try it one more time. Two papers are given now. With one paper you tried just now. One more time try it so that you will not forget it ever. Okay. Goodbye. Stay safe and God bless all of you.